Who wouldn't like to generate money seamlessly with little to no effort at all? Yes, and there comes in passive income making techniques that will churn your bucks even in your leisure times. Hey insiders, welcome to our channel, Financial Insights, the place where you are always a little bit smarter and wiser after seeing one of our valuable videos so that you can develop your financial knowledge. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to watch till the end. Number 5. Airbnb host. Freedom, flexibility, and making money off something you already have. Sounds like the ideal way to make money, right? Well, all of this is possible when you become an Airbnb host. By becoming an Airbnb host, you're able to make more than decent amount of money from letting out your uninhabited room, apartment, or house to those who are looking for somewhere to stay. You can even list your home while you're traveling, as long as you have your space sorted out and have made arrangements for guests to be taken care of while you're gone. While you may think it's complicated to become an Airbnb host, it's actually a fairly straightforward process. After you create your listing and your home is on the Airbnb market, you get paid every time someone makes a booking. Within 24 hours of the guest checking in, Airbnb will release your payment, which will then find its way to your bank account or PayPal account. This is ideal because you're able to make an income on the go as long as people are booking your space. Forget about waiting for a monthly paycheck. I know what you must be thinking. Sounds like a pretty good deal, but strangers in my house? What if they break or steal something? A home is a precious space, so letting others inhabit it may be a bit nerve-wracking. That's exactly why Airbnb has a host guarantee. Airbnb provides hosts with protection of up to $1 million in damages or loss in the event that the guests are unable or unwilling to pay. Aside from the host guarantee, you also have the ability to set your own house rules to reflect your own preferences. Some common house rules include not allowing smoking within the home, not allowing pets, and not allowing unregistered guests to stay over. It's worth it to host an Airbnb because the flexible structure allows you to earn extra money on your own terms, whether you're home or away. Plus, there's nothing stopping you from giving it a try as there's no commitment and it's rather easy to set up. Number 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is another arena which not only helps in diversifying your portfolio but assures a passive income from other sources. Although crowdfunding is a simple but powerful idea, there are a few aspects that need to be understood, especially being a first-time investor. So let's understand what real estate crowdfunding entails and how to go about it. In every real estate crowdfunding project, apart from the crowdfunding platform, there are 3 important entities that play a significant role. These are sponsor, trustee, and manager. The sponsor is an entity that identifies a lucrative opportunity, plans acquisition, finds the investors through crowdfunding platforms, and oversees the management and sale of a real estate asset. Then comes a trustee, who is responsible for ensuring that the project complies with statutory requirements. Additionally, it also renders services with respect to corporate governance, holding security on behalf of lenders, advisory, and management functions. The manager is responsible for handling the asset and the investments made in the respective property. Passive real estate investing can be quick. You do your due diligence, sign legal paperwork online, and transfer funds almost immediately. And as soon as your investment is processed, you become an equity stakeholder in the real estate venture and can start possibly realizing passive income and/or a portion of that venture's growth. In other words, you have the potential to make money while you sleep. Primarily, when investing in properties with existing tenants where there is existing cash flow, your money is working for you 24/7. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. When it comes to building passive income for financial independence, you will either have to invest your time or your money up front. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P, is an alternative investment outside of the stock market to invest your money. If you are unfamiliar with peer-to-peer lending, it is a way as a consumer to get a personal loan outside of a bank. Individual investors provide the funds for these loans, not the banks. As an investor in peer-to-peer lending, you are investing in consumer debt. Borrowers and borrowing for common needs like consolidating credit cards or refinancing or remodeling a kitchen. As an investor, you make money by funding part of a loan or multiple loans. You decide where you want to place your money based on the risk you are willing to take and your time horizon. When you invest in a loan, you are buying what is called a note. Each loan is broken up into multiple notes to spread out the risk to investors. You can buy notes for as little as $25 and across different loans with different ratings and maturity dates. However, some platforms require you to have an initial investment of $1,000 to get started. When a payment is made on the note, it includes the principal and interest. Payments are split between the investors who invested in or funded the loan. There are many peer-to-peer lending sites for different types of borrowers. Some of the lending platforms have apps and allow automated investing for passive income. You also have the ability to set it up as an investment in an IRA to defer taxes and choose your asset allocation to spread out your risks. The amount of passive income you make by buying these notes is based on the average rate of return of the loans you invest in minus the lending platform's fees. You can get started with peer-to-peer lending with as little as $25, but to make it worthwhile, you should start with $1,000. That way, you can buy notes across different grades of loans. To achieve financial independence, you have to be smart with your money and use it wisely, so don't lose it on risky bets. Our suggestion is to risk money you are not going to miss. Spread that money around different loans if you choose to start peer-to-peer lending. Number 2, become a blogger or an influencer. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog site and earn through Google Ads on your page for views or clicks. Also, brands may collaborate with you and ask to write a review, mention them in your blogs. Brand collaboration depends on the relevance of your content to their product. If blogs seem like an option that's not really up your alley, influencers are an extension of the same, albeit on social media. The past 5 years have seen an influencer boom, with many now considering it a legitimate profession. Budding lifestyle blogger Rosmi Shab says that for her, blogging started as fun before she learned that she could monetize it. It's one of the easiest ways to earn a passive income, and that too, without leaving the confines of your house, if I wish, and without muddling my daily schedule. Bloggers and influencers can generate income through sponsored posts with brands approaching them on the basis of followers, reach, and target audience. Other revenue sources through blogging and social media are affiliate marketing, which is a win-win for both blogger and brands as a result showing sales and through backlinks that result in hits to other websites. These days, a lot of brands are also launching products online and tapping into influencers for eyeballs instead of conventional media, which rings as extra income, says Shab. As an influencer, you can earn passive income in a variety of ways, including endorsing products or services, blogging, e-commerce, print on demand, podcasting, affiliate marketing, etc. Each idea offers varying levels of passiveness, but the main success factors are your audience, engagement, content quality, and the level of influence. Number 1, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link of the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareASale are among the larger names too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3 to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche, you may be able to make some serious coin. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because, in theory, you can earn money just by adding a link to your site or social media account. In reality, you won't earn anything if you can't attract readers to your site to click on the link and buy something. Well, with that too said, we have come to the end of the video. Type passive in the comments section if you are ready to start. Thank you for watching, follow us on Instagram, and make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos on our channel. See you soon at Financial Insights.